All right, welcome to the money webinar. I know a lot of you are holding back from investing because you don't think that the money is there. You either don't have the money personally, or maybe you don't believe that the money is out there for you. But I'm going to tell you, I have made almost all of my money in real estate leveraging other people's money. O.P.M is a term that's been around the industry for a long, long time. Some of the pros definitely decreases your risk because other people's money is at risk. You still want to be careful with that, but it's so nice that you're not risking your retirement or possibly risking the equity in your own house. This idea, this mindset that money is everywhere, if you're unfamiliar with it, let's just talk about that for a minute. Knowing where to look for the money is definitely a part of it. Knowing how to ask for the money is another different part of it. It takes a little bit of work, it takes a little bit of people skill, and that's one thing that we help you guys with. We have scripts and you can actually practice with us to role play and learn how to ask for the money.